Okay, so let's talk about something weird. There's this tiny, hidden habit that almost all of us have, and we don't even realize we're doing it. And according to the material we're looking at today, it could be silently messing with our well-being in a pretty major way.
Our source for today's explainer kicks things off with this line, and it's a powerful one. It translates to, "This one habit is giving slow poison to your eyes." I mean, slow poison. Wow, that's an intense way to put it, right? But it's meant to grab your attention, to really paint a picture of this gradual damage that just builds up over time without us even noticing.
So, that leads to the obvious question. What on earth is this habit? What are we all doing every single day that could be so bad for something as precious as our eyes?
Well, the answer is probably sitting right in front of you. Or maybe it's in your pocket. Yep, the whole problem is tied directly to our screens, and it's taking a hidden toll on our eyes. And there it is. The culprit, plain and simple, is staring at our phone or laptop screens and just not blinking. See, it's not about the blue light or anything like that. It's about what happens to our brains when we're really focused. You know, when you're deep into an article or binge watching a show, we get so zoned in that we literally forget to blink.
So to really get why this is a big deal, we need to know what's normal. When you're just walking around or having a chat with someone, you naturally blink about 15 to 20 times a minute. It's just your body's automatic way of keeping your eyes happy and healthy.
Now, get ready for this. The second we lock our eyes onto a screen, that number takes a nosedive. It crashes all the way down to just 5 or 6 times a minute. I mean, just think about that for a second. That's a massive drop.
This chart really shows you everything. Look at that difference. We go from this healthy, normal rhythm down to less than a third of that. It's like a key biological function just gets switched off. So why is this so bad?
Let's connect the dots here. How does a simple number, a statistic about blinking less, actually turn into real physical harm? This is where it gets serious.
The direct result is what our source calls dry and weak eyes. You see, blinking is like the windshield wipers for your eyes. Every blink spreads a fresh layer of moisture, keeping them clean and lubricated. So, when you stop blinking, you're basically letting your eyes dry out. And that's what causes that gritty, tired feeling, the redness, the strain, and sometimes even blurry vision. This just breaks it all down, doesn't it? On one hand, you've got normal blinking, which keeps your eyes moist and healthy. And on the other, you have our screen staring habit, where the blink rate plummets and directly leads to those dry, weak eyes. It's a super clear cause and effect relationship.
Okay, so we've laid out the problem, and it sounds pretty grim. But here's the best part. The solution isn't some complicated medical thing. It's actually ridiculously simple. It's just one conscious action. This is the simple protocol to save your sight.
And here it is, the digital blink protocol. It's so easy, it's almost funny. Step 1, notice when you're on your phone or computer. Step 2, consciously remember to blink. That's it. That's the whole thing. It's just about waking up that automatic function that your brain put to sleep. Our source wraps its entire message up in this one simple command. Blink yad rako. It just means remember to blink. Seriously, if you take away just one thing today, let it be this. Maybe put a sticky note on your monitor, whatever works for you. Just remember to blink. And that's really what it all comes down to. This isn't about giving up your screens or anything drastic. It's just about being a little more mindful. These are your eyes, and this tiny change is totally in your control. So the final question is for you. Are you going to make this small change for your eyes